Hello students, today we are going to discuss worksheet 2 of chapter number 12, that is data handling. The first topic is there in this case, the median of the data. What do you mean by median of data? The median is the representation of central tendency. Median is the value which is strictly in the middle of the list of observations. In the list of observations, when these observations are written in the form of ascending or descending order. So in that case, it is the middle term. It is the middle term, strictly the middle value of the given data, which is given in the given list of observations. So there are two cases arises when the number of observations are odd, and second case is there when the number of observations are there even. The first case is there when the number of observations are there odd, like 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and so on. In that case, the median is the middle term, only the middle term of the given data, which is arranged in ascending order or descending order, which is arranged in ascending order or in descending order. For example, we have given an example. The marks of student in any subject out of 10 are given, that is 2 marks, 5 marks, 3, 8, 5, 7, 0. So in ascending order it is 0, 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, 8. Then therefore the number of observations are there 7, that is odd. The number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this case, in ascending order, we are looking here the number of observations 7, and these are odd. The middle term is there. The 7, what is the half of one number less than 7, that is 6, and its half is there 3. The 3 terms on the left hand side and 3 terms on the right hand side we have to leave, and what we will get, the middle term is there 5. Therefore the median of the given data is there 5. This is the first case when the number of terms are given odd. In that case, the middle term is always the median of the given data is the middle term when it is in ascending order. Second case is there when the number of observations are even. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. In that case, the median of in this case is equal to the mean of the two middle terms. In this case, the two middle terms are there and their mean. The mean of two middle terms, that is known as the median of the given data. But this mean should be of the data should be in ascending order. Then we have to find. For example, the previous data there is given the marks. One more mark I have taken, that is 1. In that case, we have taken one more mark, that is there 1. The number of observation increases, that is there are 7, and one more, that is 8. Now in ascending order we can write it as a 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, 8. It is in ascending order, that is the marks of the students out of 10. Therefore the number of observation becomes 8, that is even. So in this case the median is there, the mean of the two middle terms. The mean of the two middle terms. So there are two middle terms, 3 and 5. And the mean of these two terms, the sum of all observation, sum of these two observation divided by the number of observation, that is 3 plus 5 upon 2, and it is equal to 8. 8 upon 2, that is 4. So it is the median of the given data when the number of observations are there even number of observations are there. Now we are doing some questions related to this exercise. First question is that find the median of the following data. Data is given in this one is the data. Firstly, we will arrange it into ascending order. The first step is there to arrange the given data in ascending order or descending order. After this, we have to check the number of terms. The number of terms are there 9. That is odd. So in case of odd, the median of the given data is the middle term. So it means 9 minus 1, that is 8, and half of 8 is equal to 4. The 4 terms on the left hand side and on the right hand side we will remove. one term is left, that is 42, it is in the middle. So therefore the median of the given data is equal to 42. The next part is same as question number 2. First part is same as question number 1. So this you have to do yourself. Second part is there. In this case the number of terms are there even. So firstly we have to arrange it into ascending order. Ascending order, the smallest number first, and then larger and then largest number at the end of this list of observations. Here the number of observations are there 10, that is even. So in this case the median of the given data is the mean of two middle terms, because there are two middle terms. One is there 17 and 27. These two middle terms are there. So what is the mean of these two? So 17 plus 27 upon 2, and that is equal to 42 upon 2, and it is equal to 22. Therefore the median of this data is equal to 22. In case of odd numbers, the middle term is the median of the data. For example, in first question number 1, but in case of when the number of terms are there or observations are there 10, in that case the median is the mean of the two middle terms as it is. So it is the way to find the median of the data. Now question number 3. The following goals are scored by a team in a series of 10 matches. So these are the goals. We have to find the median. The same thing is there. Firstly we will change it into ascending order. Ascending order, after arranging this we have to count the number of observations. The number of observations are there 10, that is even. So in this case median is the mean of the two middle term, and the two middle term are there 3 and 3. These are same. 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. 6 upon 2, that is equal to 3. So therefore median in this case is equal to 3. Last part of this question, this exercise is there. The weight of 11 students in the month of April of class 7th, it is given by this sequence. So in this case there is asked find the median of the these weights. First part is there and second part is there. In this part we have to find median again, but one condition is there. When in the month of July one student of weight 58 kilogram left the school and the new student entered having weight is 68 kilogram entered or joined this class, we have to find the new median in this case. Firstly from the previous data we will find the median, and then with the second case we will find that the weight of the student in kilogram it is given. So we will arrange this weight in ascending order. 42, then 46, 48, 49, 52, 52, 53, 54, 55, 57, 58 as it is. Now we have to count the number of observations. The number of observations are there 11, that is odd. In case of odd, the middle term is the median. So in this case middle term 11, 11 minus 1, that is 10. 10, half of 10, that is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5. 5 observation from the left and 5 observation from the right. Of this list of observation we will remove. So what we will get the middle term, that is 52. So 52 is the median in this case. But the second part, in the second part there is given one student in the month of July, one student weight 58 kilogram left the school and new student joined this class, that is whose weight is there 68 kilogram. So in this case firstly again we will arrange it into ascending order. So ascending order, when we will arrange, so we will get the 68 on the last in place of 58. So there is no change in this sequence, in this list of observations, and the number of students again, that is 11 odd. Therefore the median of the data again middle term, that is 52. It is same as the previous data. So in this way we have to solve these questions. Students, try the example of this worksheet also. Thanks and have a nice day.